Hey everybody, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. It's a new day. A lot of parts came in for the Shelby Gt500. Really excited about it. I want to get it all back together so we get this thing on the road. Let's do it. So we got the seat back from the upholstery guys. It looks amazing. Good as new. Can't even tell that it was ripped. They did a great job on it. Really happy about it. Airbag module came back, got that reprogrammed, and the seat belts are rebuilt. Over here we got the clock spring. Since our connection was melted, had to replace that. Pretty sure this is the airbag for the seat. I already opened this one, but just look at this. Fantastic. Brand new from the dealer. Can't wait to get that back. It's gonna look great. So just gotta get all these parts, put them back together, and get it back inside, and keep going step by step. All right. Quick little side note for this airbag. I mean, of course we shop around trying to get the best deal, but honestly we checked on eBay and the price was like double or triple what was from the dealer. So before you go ahead and buy some on eBay think it's a steal, look around, shop around. Don't be afraid to call the dealer. You never know.
Okay, so next thing I gotta do is take off the steering wheel to get to that clock spring. Quick note before you take off the steering wheel, gotta make sure the wheel's straight, put it back in the same spot.
Now I'm going to pull out the safety pin. Basically it's in there so it doesn't let it rotate, because the clock spring will break if it over rotates and if it's the wrong way. So they are kind of touchy. Put my bolts in. Well, the bolt keeps falling off as soon as I keep going in there. So all you gotta do is get a little piece of paper between there. I'll stop your bolt from falling.
That's a really good tip right there. What kind of paper did you use?
A little sweet low, you know, it wasn't real sugar, don't worry. Nice.
And you still get the paper, right?
Didn't drop the bolt.
Just like that.
Alright everybody, got the chair back together, turned out great. Just happy how the airbag fit in there. It missing that little bracket, but figured it out at the end. Clean it up and put the chair back inside. Hey guys, so we're gonna work on our windshield. As you noticed before, we do have a small crack going through the whole thing. The hood hit the corner and just spider web. So we called the glass guy, he's coming, and he told us he's got this cool trick he wants to show us for Shelby windshield specifically. But I mean, he's a Chevy guy, so I'm kind of worried. What is he gonna show us? I don't know, but whatever, let's check it out.
What's up guys? So this is a Ford Mustang. So there is a few tricks I can show you guys. If you got yourself a Shelby, a Mustang, a Gt500, it works for any sort of Mustang. So if there's any imperfection in the windshield that you do not like, what you do is you find it with your hand. You're like, okay, this is the imperfection that I don't like. So what you do is, preferably on a hot day, you find your imperfection, you feel, make sure not to be too rough with it, and then what you do is using the palm of your hand, you go like this. Oh wow. Hey, I need to call that glass guy. What's his number? Is he from the Car Wars YouTube channel? Yes, sir.
Ed's Auto Glass. Hooking us up.
Hooking you guys up, yeah?
What is that?
Special primer. So just in case there's any scratches or anything, so it wouldn't rust. And it also helps with the adhesion for the urethane. You pick up this windshield and then you're like, woo! Oh, jeez, I almost lost it there.
All right, great job, Ed's Auto Glass. On point, fantastic, got it done, looks amazing. Highly recommend it, guys.
Yes, sir.
So I have here the old AC condenser, radiator, and fan assembly. It's basically good to look at, see what's going on. And let's unbox all the new stuff. So off the old one that's all messed up, we definitely take all the hardware, bolts, hoses, clamps, whatever we need, transfer over to the new stuff.
Alright guys, so this bracket is the thermostat bracket and it was broken from the accident, so we got it welded. We tried getting a used one, couldn't find one, called the dealer, he said it was discontinued. I mean, this is nothing to do from leaking or anything like that, just gonna hold it in place. We had it welded up and it came out good, so let's put it in. Alright guys, so we got the coolant inside the reservoir for the radiator and we got some coolant for the intercooler. So we're going to crank it up and start bleeding the system. So let's go from there, guys. Alright guys, that's all the time we have for today. We did a lot of progress on the Mustang. We got a lot done. We got the coolant all flushed out. We got all the air out of the system. So the heat exchanger, the pump on it's working good. It's flowing on the radiator. All that's good. We got heat inside the car. So everything turned out really nice. Also, we noticed no leaks on it whatsoever. So that's really good news, guys.
Yeah, it was great just seeing the car come together and running. You know, after we had it all apart, it's just a great feeling having it, you know, turn on and stay running. It's fantastic. Really happy about that. And go ahead and guys, leave us some comments. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, if you want us to show you guys more tips or not. You know, we would love your feedback. So give us a shout out on that. Leave those comments. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that little notification bell so you know when our next video is coming. All right, have a good one.